I'm hated down here. I'm a wanted man down here for making too much noise. I'll never get back again. Hey, what's that bag done to you? And these bikers, mate. What up, everybody? It's your boy here. Is that an electric bike in front of me? I've been trapping. I've been looking for an electric bike for ages. It is an electric bike, I think. Oh, get out of the way, Mr. Postman. The one time there's an electric bike and I get held up by an old postman. Not today, boy. Look at that. We're going out with the electric biker. I'll be like, you want to swap? That thing's sick. That's sick, that is. We found the electric biker. Mental. That's sick, that is. What's it go like? Huh? Fast enough. He looks like he's about 10 years old, man. See that little electric guy? I ain't following him. He looks like he's 10 years old. He shouldn't have that bike. Ah, it didn't look that fast. It didn't look that fast. We like the old rocket ships, mate. The old stealth electric bikes. The dirt ones, they're sick. I really want to get one, innit? So bad. But, yeah. They're a lot of money. I'm not going to be able to get one. Right, as I was saying, got completely distracted with the electric bike. Little doggy! We are going on a little ride. We're just going to pop round town and have a see what's going on. We're going. What is this thing here? That is dope! That's a big old Dodge. That was a Ram, Dodge Ram or something like that. American, I don't know. Big boy, if you're from America, let me know. Have you got one of those cars? Oh, they good. As good as that sofa there. I could just sit on it. Sorry if it's a bit windy as well. I can't help it, I can't help it. The wind does what it likes, it does what it likes. Yeah, you beautiful people. We're just out on a little dawdle today, man. Look at the Jag, it is banging. Once again, thank you for the 700. We're nearly 800 subscribers. We need to get to 1,000 people. So subscribe. Look at that. Little bird. Or little butterfly. Stone roses, yeah. Subscribe. Like. Nah, I'd appreciate it if you did. Look at that guy. Whoa, I need to look where I'm going. And she needs to drive instead of trying to smoke her ciggies. Oh my god, that was Sketcher Denaro. Almost ended up like that little moped kid, you know, that goes flying into the back of the car. That's... Scooter brother! Come with me, we're going on a scooter journey! Are we going to get a Hey Jimmy today? Hey Jimmy! There we go, one of them, one's enough. I'll say that and then I'll see some other poor soul who will get it. I'm not doing that. I'd have died you. Talking about Jimmy. Hey Jimmy! What the hell? That was a coincidence. We've got Jimmy the Jeep right in front of us. We're following Jimmy today. I thought that was old Marky from work. Oh dear, yeah, it's warm, really warm. Got that bit of wind. I hope my bike don't die. I got petrol, so yeah, I'm not going to die on the old petrol. But I need it to conserve a bit. What is going on here? He's got... I need to watch what I'm doing. He had one of those dog things, what you put around a dog when they're ill, when he had it around his old head. It's getting messed up, you know. Oh, a little Porsche. Oh, another sketch. That is sketchy, that. They need to sort it out. Look, there's another hole there forming. They need to sort it out, mate. What, a 5-second job? You know, stop an accident. But the old council aren't like that, they don't care. Come on, England! Yeah, you gotta be careful. People are doing all dodgy stuff today, pulling out left, right and centre. I feel like I'm just gonna get pulled out on. Hell no, I'm gonna stop before that happens. Yeah. I've had one bad accident and that's it, one's enough. One's enough. We're just chilling, mate, we're just chilling. Leisurely. Leisurely. I don't know why I say leisurely. I don't think that's a word. Leisurely. Leisurely. Hey, Jimmy! Hey, Jimmy! Oh, we love it. We love it. Shall we go around here? We can't go down there. What is going on down there? I don't know. Nothing. Not a lot. Oh, look at the little dog. We love the little doggies. Oh, I smell some good food along here. Smell some food. I love food, mate, innit, me? I'm a bit of a food gremlin. The lights out again. They are. Hey, Jimmy! Goddamn, this is gonna be a day of seeing how many hey Jimmys I can get. I'm turning. Please no one crash into me. Why are you going so slow? God damn, I'm paranoid that someone's gonna ram in behind me. I don't want to be rammed from behind. I don't like being rammed from behind as much as you people think I do. right behind the Iceland's driver. Lovely. He's got a nice BMX. I used to do BMXing. I used to be into all sorts. Roller skates, BMXing. Look at him on his little bicycle. That's sick bike. Sick bike! An old banger. Why is this Iceland's driver going so slow, man? Look, we're going 10 miles an hour. What's going on? He's parking. He's delivering his shopping goods. Hey, doggy! Look at that dog. Lovely dog. It looks like a big Springer Spaniel. Yeah, I don't think a lot's going to be happening today. It might not be an exciting video, but whenever my video's exciting, eh? Never, ever, ever. They're just not exciting, you know.
What's he got in the box?
Hey, Jimmy! We're going to get someone swear us. Yeah, we love it. We love it. It is banging weather though, man. I need to get the kayak out and do a little old video with that. But I'm worried about dropping my camera in the water. And I'll never get back again. Oh, what's that bag done to you? Look at that speedboat out there. That's what we need to be on. A speedboat. We're just going to ride around town and see what's going on. And this wind needs to shut it. Close my eyes so you don't hear it. Oh, don't pull out on me today. Thank you. Thank you. What the hell is this person doing here, brother? Oh, yeah, look at that bike. What in the hell? People are ruthless. What's going on? Oh, look, bikers at the biker bay. Shall we go and have a look? Shall we go and be nosy? Oh, let's go and creep on some bikers. Let's pull their electric cord out. Yeet! Stop it. Stop it from charging. We're just coming to say hello, hello. Sick bike, sick bike, sick bike, sick bike. Sick bike, sick bike, sick bike, sick bike. That's Raymond. Little chopper. Yeah, old bikers. Yeah, old bikers. I'm not stopping. Not got time to stop. I'm a busy guy. Doing nothing. We're coming round. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't squish me today. 'Cause I don't feel like being squished. No, I don't want to be squished. Biker! More bikers, more bikers, more bikers! Another biker! Oh, they're not impressed. Ooh. They're not impressed. Look at all the people, there's loads of people. Now I'm hated down here, I'm a wanted man down here for making too much noise. I've got to keep my head down here. Some lady come out and smack me up. Car just coming out of nowhere. What is down there? Speedy. Nice. Yeah. Hey. Yes, he told you I wasn't much grinding downtown. Just, well, along the beach. We ain't gone through town yet. But we're going to go up here, down the Courthouse Street. Why the hell? I'm scared. No one come. We love it. We love it. We love it. Whoa. They're gonna be dealing drugs blatantly. Oh, look at him, he looks mean and scary. I don't know which way to go. Do we ride along the beach and have a look? Nah. We'll go out here because it's a green light if we make it. We love it, we love it. Just on a little cruise, man. My bike sounds like it's gonna die for some reason. I hope it don't die. That'd be bad. We don't want it to die. Right, well, let's go and pop through town and see what town's saying. Hey. Beep, beep, beep. We love it. Listen to the chopper. Look at his wind mirrors, they're sick. Sick. We love it. Let's pop through town and see what the town's saying. Look at that. He just went through a red light, the Uber guy. What the hell? What the hell? Here comes the chopper guy. Oh, he's standing back there. Come next to me. We're gonna get held up in the middle of the road, you know. We're gonna get stuck. Oh, we're gonna be waiting here for ages, mate. waiting here for ages, ages, ages. We like to sit at the traffic lights. We like to sit traffic lights. Hey, Jimmy! Yeah. Yeah! They've got more bikers down there. That's the Uber gang down there. I've got to say, town is pretty dead today. It's all dead, it's all dead. The bus is looking full though. The bus is looking like it's getting chock-a-block. Hey Jimmy! The confusion on his face. We're just gonna have to hey Jimmy it. Like the start of the video, I was like, we're not gonna do it. We're gonna do it once, and then the next minute I'm doing it 20 times. Not good. It is not good. What is that noise? It's the scooter boy doing scooter tricks. It smells of marijuana along here. Electric Audi. Is it electric? I don't know. Can't tell with cars these days. They're all electric, not electric, part electric. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Where are all the bikers? They're everywhere. We see this biker all the time, man. And these bikers, mate. You alright, geezer? He's on a Suzuki. What's he on? Suzuki Bandit. Oh, there you go. A little pop through town, my guys. We love it. We love it. Not much grinding. I hope you like that video. Like and I need to go. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell so you get the old notifications. Hello, little doggy. Peace out, and most of all, ride safe.